What's up, everyone? Well, we've been picking strawberries for about a week now, and we got some things coming up, some things coming along pretty good, so I'm going to give you a quick update of the garden here and show you the progress. Alright, this is the patch of strawberries. These three little plants are ones that we planted this spring. They're all doing really good. These are what we've been picking the strawberries off this last week. The more you pick, the more you get. So those are doing pretty good. Garlic's coming around nicely. That should be ready to go in about a month, I would say. What else we got going on over here? Oh yeah, I want to show you guys our other strawberry patch here. Now these are just June bearing strawberries. I thought they were kind of silly at first, you know, they only produce once compared to the ever bearing ones over there that produce all season. But anyways, we planted two little plants 2 years ago. Last year we got 3 strawberries off of this little patch here, and this year, after throwing some fish emulsion on there about, I don't know, a week and a half ago, they really shot up, and I've counted already 65 strawberries on these, which were originally 2 little plants that we planted in here, so those are doing really pretty good. Alright, give you a little quick shot of our little herb garden section here. Got everything's going up good. I just trimmed the stuff back because herbs like to be trimmed. The more you trim them, the more they'll grow and they won't become so woody tasting. So got cilantro, 2 types of sage, oregano right down here. Over here we got some chives, some French tarragon, and 2 different types of thyme, and those are coming around pretty good. Looks like the only thing really blooming right now are daisies. Just a little nice little section of flowers right there, doing really well. And alright, here's our raspberry bed. The bees have been working on this thing mighty crazy, pollinating all these little bits of strawberries. There's one right there if you can see him. I don't know if you guys can see him floating there. There he goes, just hanging out. But we got a lot of raspberries coming up here soon. These little bees just keep coming in here and working away. Thanks, guys. So we'll have a lot of raspberries. This originally started out as 3 plants, and this year I did plant another type of yellow raspberry, and that looks like it's doing well too. So shortly we should be having lots of raspberries. Okay, we got the chamomile right here, blooming up as well. I've been picking on this, harvesting some of this stuff, and I have to go through this evening and pick the new blooms off there. Over here our onions are coming up good. And got a couple tomato plants back there starting to take off. And the only other, I guess we do have these blooming. These are salvias, a type of sage. And these have moved all over. My mom originally gave me them about 4 years ago, and I planted them in our house in Lincoln, and then I transplanted them from over there to here, and now they're doing really good over here. The bees love these. Alright, well, that's pretty much all the stuff we got coming up so far. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update and a run through. All the trees that we planted are starting to bud out, and all looks like they are alive, so that's good. Tomorrow, well, I should have mentioned it's the weekend today, or today is the beginning of the weekend, Friday. So, got a couple days off of work. We're gonna take the RV out to a place called Fish Creek. I'm not sure if I made a video there or not, but you guys will see that video coming up here. It's gonna be our first time taking the RV out for the season. I'm still waiting to get some tabs for the van, and I was gonna use the money that I get from selling the Subaru to Kristen's dad, who is going to take the engine from the Subaru and put it in a Volkswagen van. But I'm just going to use that money to get tabs, and I got to do, there's something going on with the battery. I'm not sure if something with the solar panel and the battery bank in the van, I'll talk about that later, is messing with it or not, but might have to get a new battery. So just kind of working on. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks I'll have that up and running so I can start using her. Really excited about getting the van out too. So anyways guys, just a quick update. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.